Hi everyone, in this video I will show you a free QR code generator. This free tool is nothing like the traditional QR code creators because it uses AI to effortlessly create visually stunning and reliably scannable QR codes. So let's see it in action. First, enter your URL and then you're gonna need some prompts. If you want, there are some suggestions here. For example, let's try this one. Okay, here is our QR code that looks absolutely amazing and you can see the clouds behind it and it's perfectly scannable. If you want, you can download it or share it. And let's try another one, for example, a Saharan desert. Okay, here is our QR code. You can just enter your prompt here. Let me try one. Okay, I said an ocean filled with colorful fish. I'll just click regenerate. Oh my god, look at this. So this looks stunning. It looks like a professional thing. And the fact that it only takes one click is amazing. Plus it's free. So when people scan this QR code, they're going to be directed to this URL right here. And if you want to create a QR code with a dynamic link, there is also a free tool for that. You can try out QR code dynamic. And that's it. Go ahead, give it a try. Let us know what you think.